Hello, this is Steve Bradley with Bradley Group International and Keller Williams Realty. We are a short sale listing and negotiating team out of Northern Virginia. Today's topic is how a seller can screw up their whole short sale deal in a very simple step. Filing for bankruptcy or filing for a loan modification while you're in the process of a short sale quite often will stop everything in its tracks. So talk to your professionals ahead of time before you start the short sale. If a loan modification is something you want, then you want to pursue that ahead of time. But you don't want to run a loan modification and a short sale process at the same time, or more often than not you don't. You can talk to the bank and find out, but what we'll see is that it kind of goes like this. Bankruptcy will trump a loan modification and a short sale, and a loan modification will trump a short sale. So depending on what happens when, quite often they'll stop them, especially at bankruptcy. So talk to a local bankruptcy attorney prior to doing anything related to the short sale, because very often your banks won't even negotiate the short sale if you're in the process of filing for bankruptcy. It doesn't mean you cannot file afterwards, but again, talk to a local professional about that. But the biggest problem I see is when we're working with a client and then on their own, because they're still having some challenges making the payments, we're in the process of doing a short sale, and they go in and they send in an application for a loan modification because they're hoping to drop the payment for the next month or two to save a little bit of money. And while we can actually all appreciate what they're trying to do, very often the bank says, okay, they changed their mind. They don't want to do a short sale. They want a loan modification. So before you make any of those steps, make sure you talk to your local professional first, find out how that impact is going to affect what's going on with your transaction at the time. And again, if a loan modification is something that you would prefer to do so you can keep the house, if that will work in your situation, then you should hold off on doing a short sale until you get through that process. All right, we'll talk to your local agent because they'll know your market better and they might have some better solutions for you that are going to work specific to your situation and your market. If you have more questions for us, just visit us online at shortsalesteve.com. Send us an email if you like, and we'll try to answer that as quickly as we can. Wish you best of luck with your short sale.